Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 617. You have attempted to change your password to one that you have used in the past. The policy of your user account does not allow this. Please select a password that you have not previously used. Error password history conflict. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command secpol.msc. Click on OK. This command will open security policy of your system. Local security policy. Here expand account policies and select password policy. Now go to right side and open enforce password history and make sure that minimum do not keep password history is 0 selected. If you find any number in it, then select 0. Do not keep password history and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here go to your user account. Click on user accounts. Here from the left side, click on manage your credentials. From the left side, you will find manage your credentials. Click on it. And if you have, here go to Windows credentials. And if you have entered any Windows related credentials entered here, simply select it and remove it. No Windows credentials found in my case. If you have any added Windows credentials, then remove it. To remove, simply expand it from the drop down arrow mark and choose remove. For example, if you, in my case, no any credential added. In your case, if you find any Windows credential added, then simply select the small arrow and choose remove. After that, close the windows. Your problem should definitely be resolved. That's all.